welcome to the brand new tutorial. Yes, part 2, it's amazing. We're gonna be doing some lens shit or something. Firstly, you gotta import the time, be all fancy and shit. So print, I don't know, fucking, yeah, that. So, firstly, we're gonna do len, very important, as you know. So, what I recommend doing is doing like an input first. So I think it's something probably like that. Say something. So then we need to do a len, and I think you do a len like yeah, that one. Then print. Oh shit! No, it's fucking nam. Yeah, that. That's probably right. Print nam. Oh no, wait. Yes, okay. Very, very important, as you know.
Yeah, boy.
Secondly, you wanna do the oh shit. Fucking. Okay, so, secondly, you wanna do the upper. So I think that's like shit. Anyway, yeah. After you do that, of course, very difficult to do. Expert programming levels. Yeah. Title, the most important thing in the whole world. Without it, no one would ever exist. And then we just have lower. Nobody gives a shit about lower. It's like the shittiest one out of all of them. Like, why does it even exist? Fuck that guy. You gotta do time delay, which is time dot sleep brackets. Oh fuck. Brackets any time of seconds, and then print. You don't yet, you fat fucking pig. I'll kill you hot. So obviously after you finish the very important text, think we're ready. But we gotta do fancy things first, so
2 weeks later.
perfect. So the beginning of a tutorial, it's very useful to add notes to remember. Well, there it is. That's not very nice.